Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name is Beach Troll. Today I'm just going to talk about draining your pool. Should you drain your pool for the winter or not? Normally what I do, I typically drain the pool down below the skimmer line, right below those bottom screws. Now I have well water, so when I open the pool in the summer, I have to fill the pool, obviously, to get it up to the skimmer line and above it. So that puts a strain on my well pump, which I don't want to do. Or I could get a pool delivery of water, which obviously costs money. So this year what I'm going to try and do, I bought a couple of things. I bought something called a skimmer plug. This basically goes on the inside of your pool, and it just seals the skimmer, and you don't have to drain your pool. The only thing you have to drain is the skimmer itself, which I'll show you how to do. There's no tools required for this, it just pops right in. So I'm going to give that a try and see how it goes. And then I also bought this inlet return plug for your inlet line that goes back into the pool from your filter. We're going to take off the eyeball on the inside of the pool and the fitting that holds that in place, and then screw this plug on the inside of the pool. This plug cost me roughly $4 and change, and the skimmer plug itself cost $14.99. So for 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. The first thing you want to do is get a tape measure and measure the width of your skimmer on the inside of the pool, and also the height of the skimmer, and you can order the appropriate one accordingly. Now the skimmer plug I ordered is 11.5 inches by 4 7/8 inches. Alright, let's give this a try. I took it out of the packaging. You can see the side that attaches to the skimmer itself. It's just a foam piece. That foam piece you want to insert into your skimmer. It's kind of like a corkscrew on a wine bottle. You just pop it right in. So let's give it a shot. Just push it on so it's nice and tight. And of course I'm doing this in late October, so the water in the pool is ice cold. Okay, I've now moved over to the eyeball that returns the water to your pool through the inlet. We're gonna unscrew that and take that off. Now just be careful, because when you unscrew this, the eyeball will be loose, so you want to get a grip on that as well. And then just take both pieces out. There's the ring and the eyeball. You want to put this in a safe place so you have it for next spring or summer, so when you open your pool you have it handy. Now there's also this piece here that we're going to have to screw off. You're not going to be able to get this piece off with just your fingers, so you're going to need a pair of channel locks or pliers. Now it's a good idea if you use a rag to put around the threads of that return in there, because when you use channel locks or pliers, you don't want to, you know, damage the threads that are on there, because we need to reuse that next year. So just gonna kind of stuff it in the hole. Then when I use the channel locks, I'll just put the channel locks around the rag. And then once it's loose, you can just unscrew it with your fingers and take that piece off. And we're gonna put that on the side as well, because you're gonna need that next year. Now I'm just gonna open up the inlet plug, and this is it. It has the O-ring on it, And then this is just going to screw directly on there. Just take care you don't drop it in the pool by accident. And this will plug it up. Just make sure it's snug. You're going to unscrew this black cap at the bottom of your sand filter. And this will drain out the remaining. And there we go. We have both plugs on, the skimmer plug on the inside of the pool and also the return inlet plug. On your pool, where your return inlet plug is, your hose from your filter connects directly to that. I just have another contraption attached to it for a solar heater I made. So disregard that white piping, because you're probably not going to have that on your pool. Now when I disconnect this skimmer hose, water is going to come out of the skimmer, obviously. Okay, that gray hose you see there is your return hose that goes through the inlet on your pool, where we just put the inlet plug on the inside of the pool. So what I'm going to do is disconnect that gray hose. Now I'm just going to lay this gray hose down and just drain the water out of the pump. There's a black cap down here on the bottom of your sand filter. We're going to unscrew that. We're going to unscrew this black cap at the bottom of your sand filter. And this will drain out. Take off the skimmer hose and just tighten down that clamp so it doesn't fall off, and you'll be looking for it next summer. Then do that on both ends, and then we'll take off the return hose to the pool, and we'll tighten this clamp down as well. Then you just want to take both hoses that we just took off and put them somewhere safe for the winter, in your garage or a shed, just so they're out of the elements and they don't crack. Okay, this is an inside look through the inside of the skimmer. That flat piece you see there is the skimmer plug. It seems to be working. I will update you if anything changes. I'm curious to see if this is going to work. Don't forget to put your lid back on your skimmer. Your pool filter is all ready for winter. We're just letting the remnants of the water drain out of that black cap that we took off. As I said, it'll be a couple hours at least before that stops. And what you want to do is go to the top of your filter and turn it to where it says winter, and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, I hope it did. I'd appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I have videos out weekly, anything from home repairs, home maintenance, to car repairs, car maintenance, and pool repairs and maintenance. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.